Hey everyone, quick thing before we get started. I've made a commitment to post a video every Friday to help you guys out, so if you want more tips like this, make sure to check back every week. Alright, let's dive into today's tutorial. So in After Effects, the anchor point is basically the center of your layer, and everything, like scaling and rotation, happens around it. If your anchor point's off, your animations are going to look a little weird. The good news is, centering it is super easy. First, select the layer you're working with. Then, press A on your keyboard to bring up the anchor point properties. Now, at the top of your screen, grab the Pan Behind tool, that little hand icon. This tool lets you move the anchor point wherever you need it. Just click on the anchor point and drag it right to the center of the layer. If you want to make sure it's exactly in the center, hit Ctrl-Alt-Home on Windows or Command-Option-Home on a Mac. That'll snap it right to the middle. And if you want to center it in relation to the whole composition instead of just the layer, you can use the Align panel to align your layer or object, and it'll snap to the center of the comp. And that's all there is to it. Simple, right? This was just a quick one for this week, and I really hope it helps because not many people know about this in After Effects. It's one of those things you just randomly learn and then can't find a tutorial on it. So I'm putting it here in its own video. If you're wondering how to do it and you've got a heavy deadline, you can come here, get it done, and not have to sit through 20 minutes of BS. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday with another tutorial. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you out.